Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Aina Dayana binti Abdul Halim. My matric number F21B1326 and I am from the Product Development Technology program at UMK Jeli Campus. My supervisor is Prof. Madya Dr. Zul Arif. Now, I will be presenting my final year project titled Exploring Retailers' Intention Towards Cookie Oil Brands in Pahang. Introduction. Cooking oil is something we use every day in Malaysia and it is essential to prepare food. But what drives its availability in stores is factors such as brand reputation, quality, pricing and also the customer preference. So, the retailers, as the link between the manufacturers and customer, decide which brand to be stocked. This decision affect what the customer can buy and the brand's reputation. My study are focused in Pahang. So, my objective for this research is to determine the level intention of retailers towards cooking oil brands in Pahang. Next is to determine the relationship between attitudes, subjective norm, perceived behavior control of retailers' intention towards cooking oil brands in Pahang. And the last one, to identify the factors that most influential of retailers' intention towards cooking oil brands in Pahang. First, retailers face the challenges in balancing quality with pricing. Second, managing supply chain to disruption. And the last one, adapting to evolving health and cultural preference to remain competitive. Thesis in this research is to find the relationship between attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavior control of retailers' intention towards cooking oil brands in Pahang. Use the theory of planned behavior to find the level of intention. Next, the relationship between attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavior control. And the last one, to find the most influential factors in retailers' intention towards cookie oil brands in Pahang. This study used a conceptual framework that using purposive sampling and a survey question with 100 retailers respondents in Pahang. For data analysis, I use reliability test, descriptive analysis, person analysis, factors analysis, and PLS to analyze the data. And discussion. Through the survey, reliability test was accepted with the combination alpha achieved at 0.7 above, while the descriptive analysis showed that the level intention of retailers toward cookie oil brands was high, as the total mean score of 4.32 was include the high category. Analysis show the null hypothesis is rejected when the person correlation shows a significant relationship between the variables, and the factor analysis is acceptable because the KMO value is more than 0.5. From the survey, each factor loading has a value higher than 0.4 and is acceptable. On the survey, factor analysis showed that variance explained has greater than 50% for all independent variables, and the subjective norm is the higher value. For PLS value is 0.078, indicating an acceptable modified. Conclusion. Retailers in Pahang show a high intention towards cookie oil brands, with subjective norms being the most influential factor. So there is a significant relationship between attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavior control through the accepted hypothesis. For recommendation, further research should be conducted to explore more areas and factors. Next, tackle long-distance challenges. And lastly, focusing on diverse cooking oil brands and using diverse methods to get a comprehensive view.